Good morning. I'm Officer Norman. I'll be conducting your interview today.
Good morning. I'm Vanessa Torres. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Before starting the interview, I want to remind you that you have to keep your mask on the whole time, and please show your paperwork through the plexiglass barrier when I ask.
Yes, Mr. Norman.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
Fine, thanks. How did you come here today?
I took a bus.
Did you come here with anyone?
No, I came alone.
Why are you here today?
I'm here for my citizenship interview.
Good. Now I'm going to put you under oath. Can I please have you stand up?
Yes,
Please raise your right hand. Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
yes, I do.
Please put your hand down and sit down again.
Thank you.
Please show me your green card, driver's license, and your passport.
Here they are.
How long have you been a permanent resident of the U.S.?
I have been a lawful, permanent resident for about 4 years.
What day did you become a lawful permanent resident?
I got my green card on March 29th, 2016.
How did you get your green card?
I married to a U.S. citizen, and I got my green card through him.
Tell me, what is your current legal name?
My current legal name is Vanesa Torres.
Is the name on your green card the same as your current legal name?
Yes, they are the same.
Have you used any other names before?
Yes, I have.
What names have you ever used?
It was Vanessa Romero Sierra. After I got married, I changed it to Vanessa Torres.
Do you want to legally change your name?
No, I don't.
What is your date of birth?
My date of birth is August 7th, 1985.
What country were you born in?
I was born in Spain.
Are you a U.S. citizen of Spain?
Yes, I am.
Are you requesting an accommodation to the naturalization process because of a disability or handicap?
No, I am not.
Where are you currently living?
I'm living at 1537 Hollywood Street, Los Angeles, California.
How long have you been living at this address?
I have been living there since January 2018.
Where did you live before?
I lived at 6859 Catchway, Jurupa Valley, California 91752.
Have you changed your address since you submitted your application form?
No, I haven't.
What is your phone number?
It's 310-505-8296.
Are either of your parents U.S. citizens?
No, they are not.
Are you currently employed?
Yes, I am.
What is your occupation?
I am a hairstylist.
Where do you work?
I work for California Beauty Salon at 4222 Vermont Avenue, Los Angeles, California.
How long have you been working there?
About 2 years.
What did you do before that?
I went to school to learn English.
At what school did you learn?
I learned at Language Studies International.
Where is it?
It is at 2015 Center Street, Berkeley, California.
Very good. Have you taken any trips outside of the U.S. in the past 3 years?
Yes, I have.
How many trips of 24 hours or more have you taken outside the U.S. in the past 3 years?
I took only one trip to Spain last summer.
What was the purpose of your trip?
I went to Spain to visit my family.
How many days did you travel?
Only 7 days.
Okay, now I'm going to ask about your marital history.
Okay.
Are you currently single, married, or divorced?
I am married.
How many times have you been married?
Only one time.
What is the name of your spouse?
He is Mario Torres.
When did you get married?
We got married on July 2nd, 2015.
Where did you get married?
We got married in Spain.
Is your spouse a U.S. citizen?
Yes, he is.
Please show me your marriage certificate.
Yes, here you are.
When did your spouse become a U.S. citizen?
November 20th, 2006.
Was your husband married before?
Yes, he was, and he was divorced on December 12th, 2012.
Did you bring your spouse's divorce certificate?
Yes, I do.
Can you show it to me?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Is your spouse working now?
Yes, he is my boss at California Beauty Salon.
Very good. Do you have any children?
No, I don't.
Okay, Mrs. Torres. That's enough for individual information. Now we move to the next part.
Oh, sure, Mr. Norman.
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No, I never.
What is claim to be a U.S. citizen?
It means to tell someone that you are a U.S. citizen, but you are not.
Have you ever voted in any federal, state, or local election in the United States?
No, I never.
What does vote mean?
It means to formally choose a new leader.
Have you ever been declared legally incompetent or been confined to a mental institution?
No, I never.
What does it mean to be declared legally incompetent?
It means that someone is said under the law that he can't make his own decision due to a mental problem.
Do you owe any federal, state, or local taxes that are overdue?
No, I don't. I always pay all my taxes with my husband on time.
Can you show me your photocopies of income tax returns that you and your spouse filed with the IRS for the past 3 years?
Yes, here they are.
Good. Have you ever been a member of any totalitarian party?
No, I never.
What is a totalitarian party?
It is a political party in which all people have no power and are controlled by the government.
Have you ever been a member of a terrorist organization?
No, I never.
What is a terrorist organization?
It is a group of people who do violent acts against people and the government.
Have you ever persecuted any person because of race, religion, national origin, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion?
No, I never.
Have you ever been involved in any way with torture?
No.
What is torture?
It is the act of causing someone great physical or mental pain in order to get information.
Have you ever committed, assisted in committing, or attempted to commit a crime or offense for which you were not arrested?
No, I never.
What does commit a crime or offense mean?
It means to do something illegal.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained by any law enforcement officer for any reason?
No, I never.
What does to be detained mean?
It means that someone is kept in custody, typically for questioning about a crime.
Have you ever been placed in an alternative sentencing or rehabilitative program?
No, I haven't.
What is an alternative sentencing?
It is a light punishment, such as doing community services or work programs.
Have you ever been in jail or prison?
No, I never.
Have you ever sold or smuggled controlled substances, illegal drugs, or narcotics?
No, I never.
What are controlled substances?
They are medications that can cause physical or mental dependence.
Correct. Are removal, exclusion, rescission, or deportation proceedings currently pending against you?
No, they aren't.
Can you define deportation proceedings?
It is the legal process of deporting someone.
Have you ever served in the U.S. Armed Forces?
No, I never.
Do you support the Constitution and the U.S. form of government?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand the full oath of the allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I do.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I am.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes, I am.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes, I am.
Okay, now I want to ask you up to 10 questions about United States history and government. You will pass if you answer correctly 6 questions. Ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
What is an amendment?
A change to the Constitution.
What did the Declaration of Independence do?
Announced our independence from Great Britain.
What is one responsibility that is only for United States citizens?
Vote in a federal election.
Why did the colonists fight the British?
Because they didn't have self-government.
The Federalist Papers supported the passage of the U.S. Constitution. Name one of the writers.
James Madison.
Who was president during World War I?
Woodrow Wilson.
All right, you answered correctly 6 questions and passed the civics test. Now I want to make sure you are able to read and write English. So please, read loudly the sentence on the tablet for me.
How many states are in the United States?
Okay, good. Write this sentence. There are 50 states in the United States. Perfect. That's about all the things we need to do today.
Yes, sir.
Well, congratulations. You've passed the interview.
Thank you so much.
I will recommend your application for approval.
That's great.
If your application gets approved, you will be scheduled for the oath ceremony within a week or two. When you go to the ceremony, remember to bring your green card and answer all of the questions on the notice, Form N445.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay. I hope you will be a good citizen of the United States.
Sure, Mr. Norman.